Hello. You're probably familiar with the phrase starving artist because, we have no money and can't eat because our paint is very expensive. There are things you can do as an artist to starve less. 10 kilos of potato, $2.47. No tax. Take the potato, rinse it off. Take a plate. Just put a drop of oil on the plate. Now just chop the potato into thin little slices. Have all your little potato slices fairly thin. Have them spread out one layer thick across the whole plate. You may want to lightly salt it. Stick it in the microwave. Alright. Give them a flip. Don't want them to stick to the plate. They do not clean off easily. Give them another 2.5 minutes or so. So, there you go. Homemade potato chips. And with 20 pounds of potatoes only costing you $2.50, much cheaper than bags of pre-made chips. And you can control the oil and salts and season it yourself. Quite the effective money saver when you need a snack. That's an end of episode 1 of How to Eat Like a Starving Artist. Thanks.